Hi everyone, it's time to unbox the Armageddon launch box. And I've had to do this one on my dining room table because it's a hefty boy. Now let's get this lid off and see what's inside the box. It looks like a great deal of plastic joy. Got a bag of quite a few bases there, that's what I like to see. Means there's lots of models to build. Now let's take a look at the sprues. First one definitely looks like the war track. Got that orky metal armour and them treads. This one seems to be some sort of Space Marine character sprue. Definitely. We've got a Chapman head there. There's a banner. It's probably from the Ancient that comes in this box. And there's also some guns from the Eradicator squad as well. Really been looking forward to the orcs in this box. This is one of the ones I've been looking forward to. The weird boy. Can't wait to get him built and painted. Orky characters next. Looks like the big boss. And I see a banner. It's definitely got to be the banner knob, this one. And there's the paint boy too. Really looking forward to goring that one up. Nice orky character sprue there. Another character sprue here. Got Space Marines and orcs on this one. Got to be the captain with the relic shield and the war boss here. Looking at the artwork, I like the poses of these guys. Got another bit of a varied sprue, I think. Got the librarian and what seems to be the Vanguard veterans with jump packs. Yeah, there's the jump packs, look. Let's see what's next. Nice flat armor panels. It has to be the land speeder. I know land speeders get a lot of hate, but I'm really liking the look of this one. That brings us to another orky sprue. Boys and Gretchen, I reckon. Yep. Love the varied poses on these ones. And the sheer amount of weapons they have. Nice and waggy. Looks like we've got two of those. Exactly the same sprue. Same layout and everything. You do get 20 boys in the box after all. Lots of intercessors. Again, they've gone good on the poses with these guys. Seeing the artwork, looks pretty decent. But I don't believe you can have too many Space Marines. You can always practice your techniques and things on them. And the last one I think everybody's been looking forward to. The big mech Dakar rig. Got lots of firepower on there. Along with all the orky armor panels. A few of the bigger bases, which I'm assuming is for the land speeder, the war track and the Dakar rig. And a little box which I'm assuming has all the paper stuff in. Oh, and there's the transfers. Looks like a good selection. We've got Ultramarines, Blood Angels, Salamanders, Crimson Fists, White Scars, and a few Orky clans too. Time to take a look inside this box. Got our assembly guide. Better not lose this one. Lots of models to build. Really looking forward to it. Next up we have the Operation Imperator hardback book. Seems really good quality. And this one's full of lore and artwork all about Armageddon. Give it a good look through later on. Let's take a look at the core rules book. Definitely going to have to give these a look over now that the rules have changed. And we've got two decks of cards over here. Looks like we get some objective tokens on the front there, along with a little booklet. And we've got the cards themselves, from deployment cards to mission cards, secondary missions. And the other box is the Dominators campaign cards. And I really love the artwork and the quality of everything in this box. So these cards are for if you're creating campaigns, playing Warhammer. Supposed to streamline it down, which I will have to look into more, since they're new with this edition. And let's check out the last thing in the box, which are the data cards for all your units. Got your Orcs and your Space Marines here. Every unit that's included in the box. Great if you want to see your unit stats and abilities, at least till they buff and nerf everything. But the artwork's nice to look at. Well, that's everything, guys. All that's left to do is put it all back in the box with a bit of magic. There we go, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to throw me a comment and a like. Really helps the channel out. And if you want to see me building and painting these things, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.